I'm Victoria. I'm helping out in the science tent up between trees. I volunteer. It's my third time volunteering this year, and yeah, I was trying to teach science to kids this week. It's definitely when a kid will come up and say they want to be a scientist in the future, or that they've got a microscope at home and they can't wait to use it again, or just getting the kids excited about science and nature generally, I think is the best bit.
I'm Andrew Mason. I'm the RSPB's Regional Manager for South and West Wales. We're here with my colleagues Barnaby and Nick, conveying the message of who the RSPB are. And we're a lot more than just the birds. We're about saving ecosystems because nature's in crisis and we want to get the word out. And this seems to be the absolute right place for the RSPB to be. So we're really grateful for Dawn and Andrew to extend the invitation to be at this wonderful festival.